A new school year is here. I'm so excited to be back at North White. I'm excited to hear the chatter and the laughter filling our hallways once again. I'm excited to see learning taking place in our classrooms. And most of all, I'm excited to see all of you. It has been way too long, and we have missed each and every one of you. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Carol Wojda. I am the director of our English Learners Program, and I am our instructional coach. I am here to help our teachers teach our students to be the best that they can be. I'm here to help our English learners develop their English skills. We have high expectations for the year. Know that I am just a walk, a phone call, or an email away if there's anything you need help with. Parents, I welcome the opportunity to help you with your child's academic progress and growth as they develop their English proficiency. As we start this new school year, I have some back-to-school success tips. For our students, 3 tips. 1, don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. 2, ask questions. And 3, let the leader inside you come out. For our parents, I also have 3 success tips. 1, stay involved with your child. Ask them every day, how are things going at school? 2, monitor their grades in Skyward. I suggest sitting down with your child, having them log on and walk through their grades. Praise them on all the good things that you're seeing, all their successes. And for the areas that they might need to improve, talk about that. Find out what's holding them back. And 3, reach out for help. That's why we're here. Let's have a great year. Thank you.